Get acquainted with the 2019 Kia Soul. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Drive your own unique sense of style in this iconic Soul, the spirited subcompact crossover SUV that's daringly different. With a super spacious interior that excels at hauling people and cargo, touchscreen infotainment, and a host of available options, you'll be poised for fun and adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel inspired to express your unique sense of style in this eye-catching Soul. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.